Ever wonder what the future of mobile connectivity might look like? Picture this: a world where our smartphones can connect directly to satellites, providing unprecedented access and functionality. This isn't a distant dream, but a reality closer than you might imagine. Recently, a video was leaked that may just be showing us what the future holds. This video focuses on the user interface for the Google Pixel 9, a phone rumored to feature a groundbreaking new feature: satellite connectivity. The video showcases an interface that instructs users on how to connect to a satellite. It's surprisingly straightforward. The phone must simply be pointed towards the satellite. To ensure a solid connection, a satellite icon is kept within a circle on the user interface. This interface can also be minimized into a floating window, allowing users to multitask while maintaining their satellite connection. Adding to this, there's a notification feature from Satellite SOS that advises users to position themselves with a clear view of the sky, avoiding obstacles such as buildings, trees, and mountains. This is designed to ensure an uninterrupted signal from the satellite. The Google Pixel 9, featuring its Tensor G4 chipset with a Samsung modem, is speculated to be the first of many devices capable of this innovative form of connectivity. Not limited to just the Google Pixel 9 series, the satellite connectivity feature is also rumored to be coming to the Pixel Fold 2 and Google's rumored 5G tablet. This signals a significant shift in mobile connectivity, with the Pixel 9 potentially leading the charge in Android's native satellite implementation. Google is expected to partner with T-Mobile to offer these satellite connectivity features, integrated with Android 15, with plans to add other providers later. The satellite link will reportedly allow for texting, with predefined answers to identify different emergency situations, providing a potentially life-saving line of communication in times of need. So, as we look to the future, it's clear that the sky is no longer the limit for mobile connectivity. With advancements like those we've seen in the Google Pixel 9, we're moving towards a world where our devices are more connected than ever before. The future of mobile connectivity is here, and it's looking up, quite literally.